Looking for the best 4K drone in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a professional filmmaker, choosing the right drone can make a huge difference in your footage quality. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones of 2026, covering everything from budget-friendly options to high-end professional drones. We'll break down features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and help you decide which one is perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Taking the top spot is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a true flagship drone. It features a 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, tri-camera system, and up to 51 minutes of flight time. It also offers an incredible 30 kilometers transmission range. This drone is built for professionals. The image quality is stunning, with incredible detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. The tri-camera system gives you unmatched flexibility for cinematic storytelling. Pros: industry-leading camera quality, massive flight time, advanced transmission range, professional-grade features. Cons: very expensive and overkill for beginners. If you want the absolute best drone in 2026, the Mavic 4 Pro is unbeatable, perfect for filmmakers and professionals. Number 2. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a powerful upgrade with dual primary cameras, both capable of shooting 4K video and 48-megapixel photos. It comes with extended flight time, improved obstacle sensing, and advanced shooting modes. The dual camera system is a game changer, allowing you to switch perspectives without moving the drone. It's perfect for cinematic shots, travel videos, and professional content creation. Pros: dual camera versatility, excellent image quality, strong safety features, great battery performance. Cons: more expensive than mid-range drones, slight learning curve for beginners. The DJI Air 3 strikes the perfect balance between performance and portability, making it ideal for serious creators. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom 2 is a rising competitor in the drone market. It features 4K video, 8K photos, and an impressive 96 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. It also includes AI tracking, vertical shooting, and a 3-axis gimbal. What really stands out here is value for money. You're getting features typically found in premium drones at a much lower price. The AI tracking works well for casual use, and the vertical shooting is great for social media creators. Pros: excellent value for price, long total flight time, AI tracking and smart features, lightweight under 249 grams. Cons: brand not as established as DJI, slightly weaker image processing. If you're on a budget but still want advanced features, the Atom 2 is one of the best alternatives to DJI drones. Number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2. Next up, we have the DJI Mavic Air 2, a powerful mid-range drone featuring a 48-megapixel camera, 4K video, and even 8K hyperlapse capabilities. It offers up to 34 minutes of flight time and includes ActiveTrack 3.0 for intelligent subject tracking. This drone is a big step up from beginner models. The image quality is sharper, dynamic range is better, and the tracking features make it ideal for action shots. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth cinematic footage even in windy conditions. Pros: excellent 48-megapixel photos, smooth and stable video, intelligent tracking features, strong battery life. Cons: slightly bulky compared to mini drones, no longer the newest DJI model. The Mavic Air 2 is perfect for creators who want professional-looking footage without going fully pro-level. Number 5. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is one of the most popular entry-level drones. It's ultralight, foldable, and weighs under 249 grams, meaning in many places you won't even need registration. It shoots 4K video at 30 FPS, captures 12-megapixel photos, and offers up to 31 minutes of flight time. Despite being compact, the Mini 2 delivers surprisingly stable footage thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. It's perfect for beginners and travelers who want something portable and easy to use. The OcuSync 2.0 transmission gives you a reliable connection up to 10 kilometers, which is impressive for its size. Pros: lightweight and portable, beginner-friendly controls, solid 4K video quality, long transmission range. Cons: no obstacle avoidance, limited advanced features. If you're just starting out or want a simple travel drone, the DJI Mini 2 is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best 4K drones of 2026. Whether you're a beginner just starting out, a social media creator looking for value, or a professional filmmaker chasing the ultimate footage, there's a drone here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Check the links in the description to grab these drones at the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.